ugu na 1.5.
Okay, we'll go cut the ugu for house. Na fresh one.
Nothing with the woman, and a fresh one. So, I can't buy this pepper to bring the flavor. So now only one for one now I buy for the vegetable. The 500 now I buy.
So wait till again.
Don't finish it.
Don't go for roll out.
Are you gonna select that for me?
They show me now. You go select and now.
Okay. One hand for this one, how much?
One for this one, not 38.
38.
No, don't cost it.
That is, let me say one piece is now how much?
Customer.
I want to know now.
Your calculator, how much you go give me?
So you let me say one piece is now 2,000. That is the same.
See this one,
2,000 for this one. You don't two cost for one.
Still not there now.
If I tell somebody say I buy this on 2,000, you don't drive me come out.
I want to drive the car.
2,000 naira for one like this. Ah, we can't meet that. No. 6 nail 2,000.
Don't cost it.
Now there's 6 nail 2,000 like this. This nail 84,000 for this nail. 2,000 for one. 2,000. And because I be customer and I make the woman sell and cheap for me. It's someday 1.5. Someday 1.5, but majority of them are 2,000. 84,000 I be this. With say I be customer, it less. I be this 84,000. So yeah, 2,000. 2,000. It gets some, make she say 1.5 for hair like this one now 1.5. But this one is 2,000 for one. 2,000 for one. For example, now say somebody wants sell and now use now 3, 2, 500, 5,000. Even as that, cheat yourself go. You go prepare them now. But I mean they eat them. No. If you say me one seller, 3,000, who go buy? They go say it too cost now. Now who know them? 2,000. Me if I go to the restaurant, they prepare and one for me 3,000, I go buy. 2,000 for one, 84,000. See market of 197,000. Now be this market of 197,000. It go pass so it be like saying I 199 abi. We no get enough spoon. See market of 190, either 97 or 99,000. I be this market of someone pour everything. We see only the snail is 84,000. So
Don't use brush to the bake powder.
then no, not my own for my hair. Then this one, only this one. This one I see and cheap. This plantain is 4,000 naira. It's cheap, abi? The plantain is 4,000. May they begin open. I buy a wedu 200, 500, then 500. I buy plantain ripe one again in case customer ask. Market of 197,000, I be 99,000. No remember, but now almost 200,000 I carry come out as I come out. Now be this one. No. Only stockfish self gone. Only this one made there 9,600. So only this one stockfish. Nigeria don't cost so how na tell the survivor for this country. Oh, I buy abacha, yes, I buy abacha 1,000. Plantain in case people ask. We also have ripe one. Unripe one self, that me I dey like with ugu. With ugu and I make a buyer.
Marabu.
When I see oh.
This your Fanta, not finish out.
Yeah, I'm no bad sha. Oops. Lotto. I need to see pepper now. Look back for you.
But I want to do that.
I got this to man.
You need to do.
I need to see pepper.
Pepper dey inside. Oh yeah. Yeah, for that. It's na yeah. I don't cook am plenty.
Leave her to eat now. If it's not enough, leave her.
Make me finish.
Oh, I can cook okra for myself.
Okra.
For the fufu.
Push up.
Well, no, there's soup now. We have soup.
She said, oh, I don't like that. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
Egusi dinner.
Do another soup.
I go use egusi eater.
You carry or hard. I know you like it.
There's no to her.
No, not be eat yesterday.
No,
Yeah.
that no be her.
Yeah.
It's white soup that we eat here.
Mm-hmm. If you know if I cook all the yam now.
I think I don't tell you. I don't tell you.
I don't be there so I cook and finish. You know, as I say all those things, you think all over food, right?
What if you are?
He won't be like this.
You never start. See me no son I give him. No son I give him.
Eh?
Still no send anything to give me.
Me? I dey send them.
Okay.
But if you carry me inside your
I'm so.
the vegetable.
Mm.
At tomorrow, abi?
Anyone will not fit do today, tomorrow.
But before I go slice them. I fit cook on that today, but before I go slice this one. Don't put this one. This one and that one, that white one.
Like this. But me, if I want to sell now, I will sell 2 for 5,000. Preparation, no be say this. Yeah. Me, they just not say because that's much more. I know they make sense. This one. Yeah. So like this 5,000. So this now 27 pieces like inside. 2,000 inside. 2,000 times 27. How much?
2,054.
54,000. Okay, we still have another one more. Never break there because I bought 84,000 naira. Come and patronize us, eh?
But you're not supposed to post on the